Hello everyone out there, my name is Amanda Ray and I'm coming to you with this quick video about how to earn $150 a day utilizing a done-for-you funnel. I've been involved in this program since October of 2017 and I've been doing very well, earning a full-time income from home. I'm a single mom of two and I decided that I wanted to learn how to earn money online. And I wanted something that was easy and simple for other people to duplicate. So what you're looking at here is the group that I came up with. It's called the Freedom Takers. And what we do is we show people how to utilize a done-for-you system to leverage the opportunity and make consistent commissions of $100 to $150 a day, even making more than that per day. And I've been having amazing results. So what I want to do is show you my results and how I've been doing with this system. And then what I would love for you to do is to just get back to me and get more information about the program because it's absolutely amazing. So here is my Gmail account. And what I've been doing is pretty much running cold traffic, people that I don't know. And of course I do it on a budget because I do have two children and I don't have a lot of money to just blow away. So on a budget, I purchase traffic that's reasonable. And what I do is I run my link through this to cold traffic, and then people opt in and they sign up with me. So just in the month of January, I'm going to just pull over here. This is my account. Here's my name here, and there's my name there. And what I've been doing is just running cold traffic to this done-for-you funnel, and I've been getting continuous signups and leads every single day. So just starting January 9th alone, I had 10 gold customers come in. The system that I'm using is called the Power Lead system. And I was in a program back in 2015 and I wasn't having any results. I didn't know how to use it. I felt that it was difficult, but it's actually pretty simple. And what I did is I created the Freedom Takers group to really break down exactly how to use it, to have the funnel set up for you in 30 minutes. And you're able to start running cold traffic and getting commissions within the first 48 hours from the time that your funnel is set up. So I have gold members that came in, 10 gold members that came in on the 9th. For those that don't know, for every gold member that comes in, you're going to get a $20 commission and it's residual. So you get that every single month. So just on the 9th alone, I made 200 bucks. Okay, I had 100 opt-ins and I had a new PLS customer come in on the 9th. That's a $20 commission. Here I had made $80 on the 10th. 4 gold customers came in, and then I had 2 diamond members. For those that don't know, diamond members are $100 commissions that you receive every time somebody comes in as a diamond member. So on the 10th, I made 200 bucks. On the 11th, I had 3 fast start bonuses. That's the highest level. So when you come all in, which is the platinum level, it's $497, a one-time payment. You get unlimited $400 commissions. So on the 11th, I made $1,200, okay? And then as you can see, I have opt-ins that came in, 100 opt-ins here. I had a diamond member on the 11th. 2 PLS customers arrived here on the 11th. I had another 100 opt-ins, and I show you exactly where to get the traffic from, how to purchase the traffic, how much it's going to cost. You can pretty much do this on any budget. I also show people how to utilize the system using free methods of running free traffic. And that's how I started, guys. I really started with free traffic, and then as I got more signups, I upgraded and started utilizing paid traffic, okay? Because paid traffic works faster. It just costs a little, it's a little costly, not really that much. You could start out with like $75 a week, all the way up to $200 a week, depending on your budget. But you start anywhere and you just pump traffic weekly and then you'll have consistent signups. Also, if you go into the description below, you'll see the videos from when I first started. So I have a video for October, how I did when I first started. I'm sorry, September using free traffic, October using paid traffic, November and December using paid traffic, and how my account has grown over the months of just utilizing the system. I am a newbie. 2015, I came online. I was struggling. I wasn't making any money, maybe 100 bucks here and there, but nothing to brag about. And as I started to get involved with systems that's been around for years that had a sound foundation, I was able to build a consistent income to leave my daytime job. Okay, so here I have 12 gold customers that came in. Guys, again, that's $20 per person, so 20 times 12. 4 gold customers on the 14th, 2 fast start bonuses on the 15th, and the commissions go on and on and on. I had another fast start bonus when I first came in. I only came in as a gold and diamond member. I went ahead and upgraded once I was a month into the program after losing about 3 platinum commissions. If you're not in at the highest level, the commissions will get passed up to your sponsor. So after the 3rd time around, I was like, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade, and I've been receiving unlimited $400 commissions on a regular basis. So just going up till today, and then yesterday, I had a diamond member come in yesterday, which was January 23rd. The 21st, I had a fast start bonus. And today, this morning, I had a fast start bonus. Somebody came in, paid the one-time fee of $497. I received a $400 commission. I had 13 gold members today and 2 diamond members. So that's $200, $400, and then 20 times 13, that's way over $200. So it's been pretty consistent, the commissions that I'm receiving. This is a done-for-you system. You do not have to have, you don't have to be computer savvy. You don't have to have marketing skills to do this. This is something that pretty much runs like a machine on its own once you set it up. And like I said, it takes 20 to 30 minutes to set the funnel up. If I would have known that the system was going to perform this well back in 2015 when I was first involved, I would be making a ton of money by now. But, trial and error, not really knowing how to utilize it and not feeling confident about the program, I came back and I've been earning commissions every single week since I came back into the program. So if you want more information about this opportunity, my information is in the description below. If you would like to contact me on Facebook, my Facebook information and my email is also in the description below. And I have other videos of how I've done up until today utilizing the system to encourage other people that it's not hard to start an online business. It's actually pretty easy. You just have to be consistent. You have to believe in what you're promoting, and you have to know what to do when you get started. A lot of people get involved in programs. They don't know what to do. They don't know where to go. They don't know how to start. And they get these trainings in their back office that really don't give them the simplicity of the program on how to utilize the system. So with this system, and it's called the Power Lead System, okay? I just want to give the name. It is a great opportunity. It's a great way for newbies to get your feet wet, to leave your daytime job, to earn consistent commissions and utilize this. And if you've been in before, I definitely will advise to take a look again. And if you've never been involved and you want to earn a full-time income from home, you can do that with this program. So again, please also click on my please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and reach out to me. Feel free to reach out to me. I'll be here to help you answer any questions that you have. And for all those that are watching this video out in the world, have a great day or have a great evening, and I'll see you again.